How to make AI videos for TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search AI video generator. In here, scroll down and click on free AI video generator in video. Then press on generate video now in here. You will find this kind of screen pop up. You will need to create an account. Press on continue with Google and create an account. After your account is created, in here, add your prompt, how you want your video. After that, press on the arrow. It will analyze your prompt and add duration. Make sure platform is TikTok. Also select your visual style and press on generate at the bottom. After you've clicked on generate, it will take some time to generate your video. After the video is generated, press on download at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you have downloaded it, simply go back to TikTok and then click on the plus sign at the bottom. After you've clicked on the plus sign at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on your photos icon at the bottom right. Then select the video, press on next. If you want to add sound or edit, you can edit it in here and then press on post. And this is how to make AI videos for TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.